Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning,
Very
sir.
good morning to all of
Good
you.
morning, sir.
Okay, very good morning. So we were revising our class. We were revising. We have initiated the revision from chapter 1. Okay, yesterday we were revising the chapter organ system. Okay, so what is we have seen yesterday that we are the organism, we are the living beings. Every living beings possess some common characteristic, that is living being breathe, living being move, living being, okay, living being breathe, living being move, and living being perform different activities, movement, reproduction, etc. Okay, so the now living beings, they are having living beings are having certain characteristics, okay, and the living beings which perform certain functions. For each function, they have got different. Aniket Kumar, what are you doing? Aniket Kumar, what are you doing? Aniket Kumar, unmute yourself. Come on the screen. Aniket Kumar, what are you doing? Aniket Kumar. Aniket Kumar, I will remove you from here. Now, every living being perform different types of function like breathing, like moving, like reproducing, like circulation of blood. For each work, there are different each organ system. Okay, so we will see all this. I'm going to share you the screen and I will revise you from the things which we were seeing yesterday. Okay, wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Let me use my pen drive. Okay. Yesterday I have told you that how does respiratory system work. Okay, how does respiratory system work? Now you raise your hand if you know I'm going to ask some question, and if you know the answer of this question, you will simply raise your hand. Okay, now what is the function of a respiratory system? Raise your hand. What is function of respiratory system? Please raise your hand. If you know the answer, you raise your hand. Okay, Sakshi, 5F. You unmute yourself. Oh, no one has a hand. Sakshi. Okay, what is the function of respiratory system? Right? You tell me what is the function of respiratory system? Okay. Function of respiratory system. Tell me, who will say, raise your hand. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Answer me in the chat mode. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, Dibya, you wish to answer? Wait, yes. Okay, thank you. What is function of respiratory system? The function of respiratory system, let's see, let's try to hear from Dibya. Okay. I have unmuted you, Dibya. Now you give me your answer. I have unmuted you, Dibya. What is function of respiratory system?
Respiratory system is a
Bolo, don't hesitate, okay? Respiratory system is a रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम का काम क्या है? ऑक्सीजन को ब्लड में पहुंचाना. हाँ, चलो बोलो ट्राई योरसेल्फ. वेरी गुड.
It is a respiratory. It is a system of form of blood.
Okay. Divya, thank you. You have taken initiative. Okay. So what is function of respiratory system? Function of respiratory system is to make the body available, make the other organs available with the oxygen. ठीक है, ऑक्सीजन को सारे ऑर्गन्स तक पहुंचाना, to ensure the availability of oxygen in the entire body part. This is the function of the respiratory system. Okay, this is the function of the respiratory system. I hope you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? Respiratory system का काम क्या है? सारे बॉडी पार्ट में ऑक्सीजन को पहुंचाना और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को वहां से हटाना, to remove the carbon dioxide from the entire body and to make available oxygen to the entire body. This is the function of the respiratory system. I hope you have understood it. Okay, next question goes to you. What are the organs of the respiratory system? What are the organs of respiratory system? Who will answer it? Raise your hand. What are the organs of respiratory system? Who will answer it? Arpita, I think you have sent something in the chat mode. Yes, thank you. Omkar, sorry, Shamar, okay. Okay, sorry, I have unmuted you. You come on the screen, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Organs. Tell me, what are the organs involved?
The organs of respiratory system is nose, mouth, windpipe, lungs.
Thank you. Okay, okay. Divya Bharti, class 5F, unmute yourself. Divya Bharti.
Yes, sir. The
Can you
organs
say
of
what
the respiratory system are nose, lungs, windpipe, stomach.
Okay. Stomach. No, stomach is not a part of the respiratory system. Okay. Stomach is not a part of the respiratory system. So yesterday I have shown you, जो वीडियो भेजे थे उसको देखते नहीं हो तुम लोग, उसमें हम कल वीडियो बनाकर दिखाए थे. Once again I am going to show you the Kumar Mayank. Let me ask from the Kumar Mayank. I have unmuted you, Kumar Mayank. Kumar Mayank, come on the screen. Kumar Mayank.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
सर सर्कुलेट मतलब क्या होता है?
Move, flow. Okay, circulate means to move and to flow. Okay, I hope all of you have answered it. Now let me once again show you with the help of example. Okay, let me show you with the help of examples. Okay, let me share the screen. Now you can see the picture of the respiratory system. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you? Is it visible? Okay, it will be available. Shivank Raj 5D, roll number 42. Wait for the time. Wait. Okay, I think now it is visible to all of you. Now, देखिए, देख रहे हैं ना? हाँ? इतना देर में जो है उधर से एनोटेशन ऑफ नहीं हुआ है. कंप्यूटर स्लो है भाई, यहाँ पे नहीं ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा है. कंप्यूटर वे स्लो है यहाँ, झूठो यहाँ बुलाने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं. यहाँ पे रहने का कोई, छोड़ दो, बहुत लिख रहे हो तुम लोग. I hope it is visible. I hope it is visible. चलिए अब नहीं लिख पाएगा. चलो यहाँ पे देखो, let's see. Okay, let's see how these are the organs involved: nose, mouth, windpipe, and lungs. Okay, these are the organs, and yesterday also I have discussed it. Now you can see how oxygen moves. See, oxygen is present outside. It goes to nose, and through its nose, it comes to the windpipe. It comes to the windpipe, and through windpipe, it goes to the lungs. Okay, it goes to the lungs. Okay, you can see the movement I have shown you with the help of this red arrow. Okay, this is how the oxygen move. This is how the oxygen reaches to the lungs. I hope all of you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? You can see nose, mouth, windpipe, and lungs. So oxygen, first of all, it is observed, it is taken by the nose, and from nose it moves to the windpipe, and from windpipe it moves to the lungs, and from lungs it goes to the blood. Oxygen goes to the blood, right? I hope all of you have understood. Now, how does carbon dioxide comes out of the blood? Let's see how does carbon dioxide come out of the blood. I am, by the means of this picture, I am showing the carbon dioxide. It is present in the blood, and from blood it has came to the lungs, and from lungs again it come to windpipe, and through windpipe again it comes out through the nose. See, so this is the picture I have shown you, that how does carbon dioxide and oxygen mute. Okay, Ansika 5F, you can unmute yourself. Ansika 5F.
सर
बोलो.
सर, आपने कल बोला था ना कि 1 मिनट में हम लोग कितना बार सांस लेते हैं?
बताओ, पता की थी?
पता तो नहीं कर पाई, पर याद है कि 40 नहीं
40 से ज्यादा है. ठीक है, आज पता कर लेना. ठीक है, आज पता करोगी और उसके बाद फिर बताना. ठीक है, आई होप इट. कल हम लोग फिर इस पर हम लोग पूछेंगे. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट, कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. I hope you all have understood. Next topic is, what is diaphragm? Diaphragm. You can see in this picture there is a diaphragm. Okay, you can see there is a diaphragm. Okay, I hope it is visible. You can see the diaphragm. Okay, this is diaphragm. Okay, so diaphragm, this is a thin membrane. Diaphragm is a thin membrane. It is present between the stomach and the lungs. It separates the stomach and the lungs. Okay, it is a thin membrane. I hope all of you have got it. This is how we have completed the respiratory system. Let's come to the question and answer. Let's come to the question and answer of the respiratory system. Okay, let's come to the question and answer part of the respiratory system. Okay. Let's come to the question and answer part of the respiratory system. I am opening it. Wait. I hope it is visible to you. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, now you see, this is, I have all dictated it. Okay, now next we have the topic. Next we have discussed about what are organs. Organs are the special structure which perform a special functions, okay, organs. Okay, it is nose and mouth. Next question, what are the organ system? Okay, I will provide you this in your WhatsApp group. What are the organ system? The combination of organs which work together to perform a single work. This is called organ system. Now let us take the example of respiratory system, circulatory system, and digestive system. These are the example of the organ system. Now organ system is developed from different organ system. Oh, my voice is not audible to you. From different organ system, organism is developed. Okay, I hope now my voice is audible. Am I audible? Answer it in the chat mode.
Sir.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, now you can see. I hope it is clear to you. Next, with the help of respiratory system, we will show the organ system. What are the organs of the respiratory system? Different organs of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe, and lungs. But when nose, windpipe, lungs all did together work, it is called respiratory system. Okay, this is called respiratory system. Now next question is, how does oxygen reach to blood? You can see here I have written, first oxygen is present in the air. From air it goes to the nose, and from nose it goes to the windpipe, and from windpipe it goes to the lungs. And same question which I have discussed today, that how does carbon dioxide come outside? It is discussed here. Carbon dioxide, and first it comes to lungs, then it comes to windpipe, and then through nose it comes outside. Okay, so what is at the lung? Lung is the site of exchange of the gas. And next question is, what is diaphragm? This is the thin membrane which is present between the lungs and the stomach. Okay, I hope this was all the revision of the respiratory system. Now if you don't have any problem, I will move to the next topic, that is a skeleton system. If anybody of you have problem, you can raise your hands. If anybody of you have problem, you can raise your hands. Anybody of you have problem, you can raise your hands. किसी को अगर कोई दिक्कत है, you can raise your hand, you can write in the chat mode. Harshit Kumar sir, वो chapter we reach and complete. Okay, I have to complete the work. Okay. Okay. And now, okay. Tanvi Sinha, 5F, unmute yourself. Tanvi Sinha, 5F, unmute
सर
yourself.
आपने कल क्या पढ़ाया था सर? मैं कल क्लास नहीं कर पाई थी सर। सर एक नोटिस आया था कि क्लास नहीं होगा, तो उसी के चलते।
अच्छा तन्वी, तुम नोटिस देख ली है ना? नोटिस
यस
देखी?
सर।
अच्छा, जो हम वीडियो क्लास में कल हम ग्रुप में भेजे, वो वीडियो नहीं देखी? तुम्हारे ग्रुप में एक वीडियो भी तो डाले होंगे कि कल आज हम क्या पढ़ाए हैं, टुडेज क्लास लेक्चर। वो वीडियो को नहीं देखी?
नो सर, अभी तक नहीं देखे सर।
नहीं देखे तो क्यों नहीं देखे? वो हम दिन जो पढ़ाते हैं वो तो ग्रुप में डाल देते हैं, देख लो, सुन लो, ठीक है? ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ तन्वी। नेक्स्ट, अंशिका 5F, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अंशिका। अंशिका अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अंशिका अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। ओके, प्रत्युष राजन, प्रिया रानी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। हाँ, यस
सर।
हाँ, बोलो बोलो।
कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाया तो आपको जो था वो भेज सकते हैं।
हाँ, तो भेजे ही हैं, कल हम भेजे ही हैं। हम रोज भेज देते हैं ग्रुप में पढ़ाने के बाद रिकॉर्डिंग दिन पूरे क्लास का, ठीक है? इसमें तुम क्या पूछ रही हो, क्या बोल रही हो, सब रिकॉर्डिंग उसमें रहता है।
सर नहीं सर, पूछ रहे थे कि जो सिस्टम का ये सब का,
हाँ, ये भी हम भेज देंगे ग्रुप में।
भेज सकते हैं।
हाँ, भेज देंगे, आज भेज देंगे, ठीक है? डोंट वरी। ओके, प्रत्युष एंड प्रिया रानी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। प्रत्युष एंड प्रिया रानी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर रिब केज
प्रत्युष
मतलब क्या होता है?
किसके मतलब?
रिब केज।
रिब केज हम जब पढ़ाएंगे तो बता देंगे बेटा, ठीक है, अभी रिब केज नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं। ओके, मान्यान अभिनव 5F, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। मान्यान अभिनव, मान्यान अभिनव, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर मेरा मंडे और ट्यूसडे को कनेक्ट सर मेरा मंडे और ट्यूसडे को कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था।
तो मंडे और ट्यूसडे का तुम जो है उसमें उसको डाउनलोड कर लो, उसको देख लो, यूट्यूब पर होगा, नहीं तो हम बोलना, हमसे मांग लेना, हमारे व्हाट्सएप पर मैसेज करना। यूट्यूब पे सारा वीडियो रहता है, DAV CRRC गया, उस पर सारा वीडियो रहता है, उस पर देख लेना। कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो हमसे पूछ लेना, ठीक है? और कोई दिक्कत?
सर आप सिर्फ चैप्टर 7 को क्वेश्चन आंसर भेज सकते हैं?
भेज देंगे, हमसे व्हाट्सएप पर मांग लेना।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, okay, welcome. Now I hope all of you have understood it. Now next, let's move to the next topic. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Okay, so we have now next. Okay, next we have the topic. Let's see here. This is about the skeleton system. What is a skeleton system? Okay, a skeleton system is the framework. Okay, a skeleton system is a framework. Okay, a skeleton system is a framework of the body. What is function of a skeleton system? It gives shape and support to our body, right? What is the function of the skeleton system? A skeleton system gives shape and support to our body. Okay, then we have, let's revise it. Okay, what is function? Okay, what is a skeleton system? It is a framework of bones in the living being. What is function of a skeleton system? The function of a skeleton system is that it provides shape and support to our body. Any problem to anybody? It provides shape and support to our body. If you have problem, you can raise your hand. Okay, it provides shape and support to our body. Now what is the function of the skeleton? Next function of the skeleton system is that it protects the delicate organs. Okay, it protects the delicate organ. And next function of a skeleton system is formation of blood. Okay, this is the also function of the skeleton system, formation of blood. Next, I hope it is clear to you. What is function of a skeleton system? The main component of a skeleton system is okay, thank you Ansika. The main component of a skeleton system is bone. Bone is the main component of a skeleton system. Okay, bone is the main component of a skeleton system. Okay, and what are the, we will write also this, what are the main component of a skeleton system, right? What are the main component of a skeleton system? A skeleton system. Okay, answer, its answer will be the bone. Bones are the bone, और bone हम लोग लिखेंगे और एक चीज और लिखेंगे, bone, tendon, TENDON, bone, tendon and ligament. Bone, tendon and ligament are the main component of a skeleton system. Okay, these are the main component of a skeleton system. I hope it is clear to you. Next, and next question, what are the bone made up of? Okay, bone is made up of, what are you doing, Tanvi Sinha? Bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, Ansika, I have unmuted you. Ansika. Tell me, Ansika, I have unmuted. Tell me.
सर ये जो अभी आप बोले bones, tendon and component of skeletal system. Tendon का मतलब सर?
बताएंगे, अभी बताएंगे, ठीक है, हम जो भी लिखे हाँ बताएंगे, रुक जाओ, ठीक है। What are bone made up of? So bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus. ठीक है, तो बोन किस चीज से बना हुआ होता है?
Calcium.
बोन बना हुआ होता है कैल्शियम और फास्फोरस से। नाउ टेल मी द सम ऑफ द फूड्स व्हिच आर द रिच सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड फास्फोरस। ओके, ऐसा क्या खाएं कि हमारी हड्डी जो है वो मजबूत रहे। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम फ्यू फूड which are rich source of calcium and phosphorus. Who will answer this question? Raise your hand. Name the few food which are rich source of calcium and phosphorus. Who will answer this question? कुछ ऐसा खाना हम पढ़ा चुके हैं. I have taught you the food chapter. Okay, balanced diet I have taught you. So name the food which is good source of calcium, which is good source of calcium, and which is good source of phosphorus. Okay, tell me. Raise your hand. आवाज है. Okay, tell me. So milk is one of the food which is rich source of calcium. Okay, milk is one of the food which is rich source of calcium. We should take milk. Our bone will be strong. Okay, our bone will be strong. Okay, और धीरे धीरे आ रहा है सर. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो. Okay, I am getting answer in the chat mode from Tanvi Sinha, milk, and Shivank Raj is saying that he is getting the slow voice. This is the problem from your device. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. Next, let's move to the next. Okay, why do we feel pain when our bone cracks or fracture take place? Okay, so bones are associated with the nerves. I hope you understood. बोन जुड़ा हुआ किस चीज से होता है? बोन से सटा हुआ क्या होता है? नर्व्स होता है और ब्लड सेल्स होता है. इसीलिए जब हमें चोट लगती है या जब फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है तो हमें थोड़ा दर्द फील होता है. ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट, name the longest bone in the human body. This is very important question. You will face this question many times in your life. Okay, femur it is. Femur. Femur is the longest bone. This is also called as thigh bone. Ansika, unmuted. Tell me what is problem. Okay, femur is the longest bone. Okay, next we have name the smallest bone. This is stapes. It is present in the ear. Okay, stapes is present in the ear. Next, what is bone marrow? Bone. Okay, the bone is hollow. Okay, let's understand like this. Wait 1 minute, Ansika. Okay, wait 1 minute. Now let's suppose this is bone. Okay, now suppose this is I have made a bone. मान लो सपोज करो कि ये एक बोन हम बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये बोन है. दिस इज अ बोन. ठीक है, मान लो कि ये एक बोन है. ठीक है, तो ये बोन जो है वो अंदर से कुछ चीजों से भरा हुआ होता है. ठीक है, दिस बोन इज filled with something like material. This is called bone marrow. ठीक है, बोन भरा हुआ होता है. ठीक है, this is the outer surface of the bone. Okay, this is outer surface of the bone, and the inner surface of the bone is filled with the material. This is called bone marrow. ठीक है, वो जो भरा हुआ किस चीज से होता है? वो बोन मैरो से भरा हुआ होता है. ठीक है, bone hollow bones are filled with the substance. This is called bone marrow. Bone marrow is a substance which is present in the hollow bone. I hope it is clear to you. Now, Ansika, you tell me what is your problem. Ansika, tell me what is your problem.
स्टेपेस क्या होता है?
स्टेपस हमारे शरीर की सबसे छोटी हड्डी है. सबसे छोटी हड्डी है, उसका नाम है स्टेपस. ओके, सबसे छोटी हड्डी है, उसका नाम है
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
बस उसका नाम ही यही स्टेपस है. ठीक है, स्टेपस. इट इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द ईयर. हमारे कान में होता है. इसका नाम है स्टेपस. और सबसे लंबी हड्डी कौन होती है? वो थाई की हड्डी है. उसको हम लोग कहते हैं फीमर. बात समझ में आई? Any problem? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, mute yourself.
Thank
okay.
you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, now we have the next question. Okay, what is bone marrow? So bone marrow I have taught you. I hope it is clear. The bones are filled with a substance. This is called bone marrow. ओके बोन मैरो बोन्स आर फिल्ड विथ अ सब्सटेंस, इसको हम ये भी कर सकते हैं, और ऑल्सो वी कैन राइट बोन्स आर filled with a substance called bone marrow. Okay, it is called bone marrow. ठीक है, bones are filled with a substance, या हम इसको यहाँ पे ये भी लिख सकते हैं, hollow part of bone are filled with a substance that is called bone marrow. Next question arises, what is function of the bone marrow? Question arises, what is the function of the bone marrow? The function of the bone marrow is it is responsible for the manufacturing of blood. ब्लड बनाने का काम, ब्लड किससे बनता है? बोन मैरो से बनता है। ठीक है, ब्लड किससे बनता है? बोन मैरो से बनता है। ठीक है, व्हाट आर द मेन पार्ट ऑफ स्केलेटन सिस्टम? स्केलेटन सिस्टम का सबसे मेन पार्ट कौन सा है? द मेन पार्ट ऑफ स्केलेटन सिस्टम इज बोन। ओके, so following are the part of the skeleton system. Okay, following are the part of the skeleton system. Skull is a part of a skeleton system, then is backbone, then is rib cage, then is the limbs. One by one we will focus, one by one we will see each things. Okay, so first it is a skull. A skull का मतलब क्या होता है? ये खोपड़ी, this is called skull. Okay, this is called a skull. What is the function of this skull? Okay, this skull protects the brain. Okay, this skull protects the brain. Okay, अगर इतना झटका अगर ब्रेन को लग जाएगा तो ब्रेन जो है वो समाप्त हो जाएगा। ठीक है, but this is the skull which protect the brain. A skull consists of 8 bones. How many bones are in the skull? 8. Mind it. This is the GKGS question. There are 8 bones in the skull. I hope you understood it. Okay. There are 8 bones in the skull, and including there's 2 jaw. This is, you can say, the 2 jaws. Okay. This is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw is not movable. Lower jaw is movable. Okay, lower jaw is movable. You can think that अगर मान लो, सोचो क्या होता अगर दोनों जॉ अगर हमारा नॉन मूवेबल रहता तो क्या होता? कौन बताएगा? रेज योर हैंड। दोनों जॉ अगर हमारा मूवेबल नहीं रहता, ठीक है, ऐसे हमारा कौन सा जॉ मूवेबल है? नीचे वाला जॉ मूवेबल है। मुंह अगर खोलते हैं तो यहाँ देखो ऊपर का एक जॉ हो गया और एक नीचे का जॉ हो गया। दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्कल। ऊपर का जॉ फिक्स रहता है, नीचे का जॉ मूवेबल है। अगर मान लो हमारा दोनों जॉ अगर फिक्स हो गया तो क्या होगा? रेज योर हैंड। दो जो विशेष टू आंसर दे कैन रेज द हैंड और दे कैन राइट इन द चैट मोड। ओके, if you wish you can answer, raise the hand. Okay, 2 students have raised the hand. Let me ask with one of them. Okay, Aniket Kumar, unmute yourself. Aniket Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes sir.
Aniket, yes, tell me. Okay, tell me.
सर अगर हमारा दोनों जान सर जुट जाए तो हम बोल नहीं पाएंगे।
चलो next. Okay, Aniket, thank you for your answer. Next we have the Sakshi. Next we have Sakshi. Unmute yourself, Sakshi.
Yes sir.
चलो, अगर हमारा दोनों जा फिक्स हो जाए, हमारा कौन सा जा मूवेबल है? ऊपर वाला जा मूवेबल है या नीचे वाला मूवेबल है? ऊपर वाला मूवेबल है। रॉन्ग, नीचे वाला मूवेबल है। ठीक है, अगर मान लो दोनों मूवेबल नहीं रहता तो क्या होता?
तो हम बोल नहीं पाते अच्छे से। और चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू साक्षी। और हम लोग खा भी नहीं पाते।
थैंक यू साक्षी। नाउ अंशिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अंशिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अंशिका,
सर,
हाँ बोलो।
सर अगर हमारा दोनों जॉब मूवेबल नहीं होता तो हम लोग ना खा पाते अच्छा से ना बोल पाते अच्छा से।
ओके, अच्छा से। ओके, दिव्या भारती, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। दिव्या
sir.
भारती, अनम्यूट
Yes,
योरसेल्फ।
sir.
अगर दोनों जॉब अगर हमारा फिक्स होता, ऐसे तो एक जॉब फिक्स है, ऊपर वाला फिक्स है, नीचे वाला फिक्स नहीं है। अगर दोनों जॉब अगर फिक्स रहता तो क्या होता, बताओ।
Sir, we not eat food or we not speak, sir.
वेरी गुड। तन्वी सिन्हा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर अगर
तन्वी सिन्हा,
हम लोग, यस सर,
बोलो।
सर अगर हम लोग का दोनों जो सर फिक्स होता तो सर ना हम लोग कुछ खा पाते, ना कुछ बोल पाते और ना कुछ पी पाते सर।
चलो, थैंक यू। एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट आंसर ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गिवन। अगर हमारा दोनों जॉब अगर फिक्स हो जाता तो ना हम खा पाते ना हम बोल पाते।
Thank
आई
you,
होप
sir.
इट इज क्लियर टू यू। ठीक है, सभी को समझ में आ गया? ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स पेन इट डाउन in the revision part. Okay, skull, how many jaws are present in the skull? Two jaws are present, upper jaw and lower jaw. The lower jaw is movable, but the upper jaw is not movable. The lower jaw is movable, which help us to eat and speak. And next topic we have about the backbone. Okay, I hope only 1 minute is left. The backbone we will read tomorrow. If you have any problem to anybody, you can raise your hand, you can speak. Okay, if you have any problem, you can raise your hand, you can speak. Okay, if you have any problem, okay, wait, let me take you. Okay, raise your hand if you have any problem. Okay, Sakshi, unmute. Sakshi,
सर
unmute.
सर
बोलो।
अभी तक जितना भी आप पढ़ाएं प्लीज व्हाट्सएप पर सेंड कर दीजिएगा ना।
रोज हम भेजते हैं, तुम देखती नहीं हो वीडियो? रोज भेजते
सर
हैं।
तो नहीं, जो अभी आप करवाते हैं वो सब बोल रहे हैं।
क्वेश्चन आंसर भेज
यस
देंगे। 2 दिन पर एक बार भेजते हैं, 2-3 दिन पर मिल जाएगा। चलो नेक्स्ट। और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
सर।
अंशिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। अंशिका,
Sir.
हाँ।